Today I'm going to show you how to make this Stickman animation in Canva. Go to Canva and click Video, Landscape Video. Go to Elements and type, for example, Stickman. Found a small piece of gold. Click Graphics and click Generate Graphics. Choose any one you want. Let's drag this one to the design. Let's place it in the middle and download this page as PNG. Delete this one and upload the new image and copy this prompt and go to Edit, Magic Studio, and choose Image to Video, Custom, and paste the same prompt and click Generate and click Add Video to Design and adjust the size to cover all the page, and here's the result.